What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you untying my shoe? You don't want to go anywhere else today?
Mama.
Did you just say hi, Mama? Finn, did you just say hi, Mama? That was very good. That was very good. Want to say hi to Daddy? One time, hi. Say hi, Daddy. We love you and we miss you. We put on a show at dinner for everybody downstairs. Say I ate my dinner and then I made lots of noises. Did you just say hi, Mama, earlier? I'm pretty sure I heard ya. Did you say that? Finley J, did you say hi, Mama? Did you? Yeah? Well, say hi, Dada. Say hi, Dada. Okay. Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. All right, buddy. Okay. Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Okay, say Mama again. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Oh, you're very noisy. You're very noisy tonight.